Hello students, welcome to Rohan's Thought. As you can know, joint CSIR UGC NET examination 2023, the information bulletin is already came and the registration process started from 10th of March. So you can avail the information bulletin from the CSIR net .nta.nic.in, which is the official website of CSIR. So you can avail the bulletin from information and you can download it. The download option is over here. I have already downloaded. Joint CSIR UGC National Eligibility Test for JRF and Lecturership Assistant Professor December 2022 and June 2023 the information bulletin came. The information bulletin consists of all the eligibility criteria and the specific dates. You can see here the online registration started from 10th of March to 10th of April. You should pay 1100 rupees if you are from general category. General, EWS and OBC should pay 550 rupees. SC, ST and third gender category, they should pay 275 rupees, and PWD nil. The correction period is from 12th of April to 18th of April. The examination date are 6, 7 and 8 of June 2023. One applicant should fill up only one application form. Application form should consist of their original and registered email ID that they have always with them, and they have provided the photograph information, that is the photograph should be within 10 to 200 kb. It should be in color or it should be in black and white, but your ears should be visible in those photographs and the background should be white. Candidate signature size is already mentioned here, 4 to 30 kb, and the if you are from the result awaited category, then the result awaited attestation PDF you should upload there, which is also within 50 to 500 kb. If you are from any category, if you have any category certificate, then you should upload it also. After that, the main things I am highlighting, that these are the things you should carry with you to the examination center. These are the things you can see here, and these are the things, these are the eligibility criterias. I will come to the eligibility criterias later, as there was another section for that. And this is the fellowship they are providing. As you know already, JRF will get 31,000 rupees per month, and if you qualify the SRF parameter, then you should avail the 35,000 rupees per month. The fellowship will be increased, and after that you can see here that I am coming to the eligibility criterias that you should know. MSc or equivalent degree, integrated BSMS, BS 4-year, BE, BTech, BPharm, MBBS with at least 55% marks in the general category or general EWS category. If you are from OBC, SC, ST, third gender or PWD category, then you should have 50% marks in your last examination. Here it is written that without rounding off. That means if you have 54.9 in the general category, so then also you are not eligible to giving that type of tests, because they have written already without rounding off. That means you cannot give that examination. BSc honors or equivalent degree holders, that means you already qualified the examination. They can also fill this up, or integrated MS PhD program with at least 55% marks can also fill this up, or you can say that general EWS category with 50% marks, that I have already told you. BSc final year result awaited candidates are not eligible to apply. If you are in 5th semester of BSc and you wanted to fill the form, then you are not eligible. You cannot fill this form. After that, their upper age limit of the JRF is mentioned, that is maximum 28 years as on 1/7 of 22 is eligible to apply for JRF, and the age relaxation is already there for the category candidates, and the lecturership has no upper age limit. After that, you can see here the pattern of question. It is the last one. There is no MSQ type, no NAT type, all are MCQ type of question, where you can have the options to take your type of question. You can make your wanted question, that total questions are 20 and you should have mark maximum of 15 questions, and there 40 questions are there in part B. You maximum number of question you attempt is 35, and after that part C 60 questions, and after that 25 out of 60 you can attempt maximum of 25 number of questions. So you have options there. So after that, there all the things are written. Before filling up the examination form, you should know all the subject codes, because you need those subject codes while filling the form. All the informations are given in this information bulletin. I am mentioning that you should read once, only once, the information bulletin, at least only once, before filling up the form. Because if you do anything wrong with the application process, then the application can be cancelled by NTA. They have that right to cancel your examination. So please go through the information bulletin, and after that fill the form. Please don't be late. Fill the forms as fast as you can. But after before filling this up, go through the information bulletin. All the problems that you are going to face, they have answered all the informations in that bulletin. So if this video is helpful for you, then do like, share and subscribe.